Hi, this is Mark Kaufman, Anthology's Senior Software Engineer on the Integrations Developer Relations and Standards team. I'm making this video for you today to show how you can use the REST API to find assessments in a course. So if you look at our documentation about assessments, you'll see that you can get the assessment questions. And so looking at the links here, it goes courseId assessments and then assessmentId question. So say you want to get all of the assessments in a course. We had a developer write to us and ask the question because what they were trying to do is just go to the /assessments endpoint, like /assessments, to get all the assessments for a given course ID. And if you do that, let's just try to do that a minute. If we go here to the Learn course that we have set up here, and we copy this link. This comes in real handy if you're logged in as an admin. You can just go in and type in the course URL. Like you could get information about that course, and if you go, if you want to get the questions for an assessment in the course, you can do that. But if you want to get all of the assessments and you try this, you just get an empty list. So what's going on here? Well, to understand how to find the assessments, you need to know about content types in Learn. And so what you do is, or what we do is we look at the course contents API, and that's where you're going to find your assessments. So there are going to be another thing to be very cognizant of is when you look at our Swagger documentation, you want to always check the model, because you'll see a lot of information. Like if you just look at the example value and you look at the content handler, it just says ID string. So it doesn't tell you a whole lot there. But if you go to the model, what you're going to see is that the content handler has several different values, and one of them is the XBB assessment test link. So that's the content handler for the assessments. And so if you go ahead and put in if we want to look at every assessment in the course, because you'll notice in this example course here, we have an assessment here, we have an assignment, we have a folder, and inside that folder is another assessment, and then we have a document. So if we just get all of the contents for the course, we're going to see a lot of, let me go back here. If we just see the content for the course, we're going to see everything basically that's at the top level. We won't see that. We'll see the folder there, but we won't see the item that's in the folder. If we want to see everything that's in the folder, we use recursive equals true, and that'll give us the item that's in the folder, which is that assessment. And so that'll give us, but this is giving us all of the content. So if we just want to see assessments, what we can do is we can use a filter on the content handler, and we can go ahead and type content handler equals resource BB assessment test link, and this will give us all of the assessments in the course, including the one that's in that folder. So now you have it, how you can find all of the assessments in a course, and you've also learned how to find other content types in the course, like an external link or a course link or a forum link or LTI placement. So you've learned a lot in this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And then to answer the question is, there is no /assessments to get all the assessments. You use contents, and you use the content handler type to filter out those that are assessments. Happy coding. Thank you for watching. Bye now.